The question is, find the GCF of 6x cube a square b square c, 8x square a b cube c cube, 12 a cube b square c square. In this we find the numerical coefficients. So we find out 6, 8, 12. What is it? 2. GCF is 2. Which is the common factor? 2. Now the smallest power of a square is there, a and a cube. In that, which is the smallest power? A is 1. Smallest power of b possible, there is b square, b cube and b square. So it's obviously 2. 2, 3, 2, which is the one? 2. Smallest power of c. In c, c cube and c square. How many possible? 1, the smallest one. So it will be 2a b square c. Now another question. 9x square y, 15x square y cube, 6xy square, 21x square y square. What are the numerical coefficients? 9, 15, 6, 21. All are multiples of 3. 3 into 3, 3 into 5, 3 into 2 and 3 into 7. Which is the biggest one in that? 3. What's the smallest power of the monomials possible? We have, what are the two? Two variables are x and y. In that, x is powers 2, 1, 2. In that, which is the smallest? 1. And in y, that is 1, 3, 2, 2. In that smallest, 1. So, its answer will be 3xy.